and welcome to yet another tutorial. My name is Carolina and today I'll show you how to make this robe using my sewing pattern called Camilla. But this time I'll use a satin fabric. You can buy this pattern from my shop on Etsy and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. First we are going to start with patch pockets. Fold the top edge by 5 cm and then fold out 1 cm and pin it down. Then sew only on just folded sides. Next, overlook all 3 edges and back out the pocket. Use scissors to make sure that the corners are nice and pointy. Top stitch folded bit of the pocket as close to the edge as possible. Then fold the edges by 1 cm and press them down. Now your pockets are ready to be placed on the front panels. Measure 47 cm from the shoulder down and 6 cm from the side. This point is where the top corner of your pocket will be. Place the pocket and pin it down, making sure that the outer edge is 6 cm away from the side. Then you can top stitch all 3 edges. Moving on, take front panels and pin the shoulders together with the back panel. Then sew and overlook shoulder edges. Fold the sleeve in half and place it on the armhole edge, making sure that the middle of the folded sleeve is on the seam line of the shoulder. Then you want to pin down, sew and overlock the armhole edge. Now, before sewing sides together, we need to make belt loops. Take 3 belt loop pieces and fold them in half. Stitch so they're at least 1 cm wide, then trim the excess fabric. Then back them out using a loop turner, and as a final step you want to press them flat. Measure 11 centimeters down from the armhole, insert belt loops and secure using pins. Then you can sew sides together and overlook the edge. Moving on to the hem, fold it by 1 centimeter and then again by 5 centimeters, and then top stitch close to just folded edge. Sew the two collar band pieces together. Match the collar center seam to the center back of your rope and start pinning to the left and to the right of the rope. Now before you start sewing, insert a hanging loop to the neckline and stitch around the entire front opening. Then fold and stitch where the collar band ends, trim the excess fabric and bag it out, Pin in place, making sure that you cover the stitch line as you go. Top stitch the entire color carefully, as close to the edge as possible. Overlock the raw sleeve edges, then fold them by 4 cm and top stitch. As the last step, we need to make a belt. Sew 2 belt pieces together, then fold your belt in half and sew the lower wrong edges together at 1 cm seam allowance. Back the bell out using a safety pin. Then press your belt with the seam open and then again on the fold. Finish off the raw ends by tucking in 1 cm and top stitching the sides. And that's all. Thanks for watching.